Sometimes after you do your paint work, there could be some orange peel. Maybe it's not as glossy as you'd like it to be. So we're going to show you how to wet sand that orange peel down and do it with hand tools. Typically people tell you that this needs to be done by a professional, but if you're very careful and you use not very aggressive sandpaper, you can do this by hand. I'm starting off here with 3000 grit, and I'm just going to lightly work all the painted area. You don't have to be too concerned if you go hit the original paint too. It's 3000 grit is very refined, so it won't burn through. That white residue you see there is actually the clear coat. It's taking the edge off the clear coat and it's going to make it even shinier. Be very careful on the edges so that you don't push too hard and go down to the black paint. And you just keep working this for a little while. Then we'll come back and we'll wipe it off and take a look and see if we need to do more. I could still see some orange peel here, so I'm going to do it for a little bit longer. I missed a spot over here, so I'm going to work it a little bit more. What this is really doing is taking off the dips and valleys of the paint job, which makes it much smoother. Now I can see it's all pretty uniform. And because 3000, most polishing compound will not get 3000 grit scratches out. So now I'm going to move to 8000, which is super fine. It's some of the finest sandpaper you can find, finest grit that is. And what that'll do is it'll actually bring some of the gloss back and it'll polish out the 3000 grit scratches. And then normal polishing compound will bring the entire shine back. Wipe it down, inspect it again. Further. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but from this angle, some of the gloss has even come back already because the 8000 grit is so fine. Then I'm going to show you how to take the polishing compound, and you can do it by hand or with a small drill tool and bring the gloss back. I'm going to show you how you can use the TouchUpDirect polishing compound to start to make this area nice and shiny again. You can do this by hand. So you can already start to see, this is where I polished with the compound, this is where I ended with the 8000. I'm going to go around the edges so that I can get that as shiny as possible by hand. Then I'm going to take a drill bit, a drill tool, and show you how to do that. Very common tools found on Amazon. Okay, once I'm satisfied that the edges are nice and polished, I'm going to move to the tool and show you how to just polish this out. So I'm going to use this common cordless drill and this polishing pad with our polishing compound. And this will bring an even deeper gloss. Any edges that are a little bit still need a little bit of polish, we could work them by hand yet and it would get better, but I want to show just how nice of a job this will end up being. And it's very simple. Down, take a look. So the shine and the depth has been 100% restored. So now it's just a matter of making sure that there's no areas that need a little bit of polishing yet. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. If there was still some orange peel, you can go through the same steps again. 3000 to 8000 to polish. I'm going to polish it just a little bit more. I think that's good.